everybody! In front of me is Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings located on this device. Start by opening settings, scrolling down and choosing sound and vibration. Now scroll down right away and click on the switcher next to vibrate on ring. This way you can switch on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. Now tap on the switcher next to vibrate on silent to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Then click on haptic and tones and tap on this switcher next to vibrate on touch to switch on or off touch vibrations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!